Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Exodus wallet app review to see if it's worth using. Exodus wallet is a friendly cryptocurrency wallet available on desktop, mobile, and also browser platforms. It supports over 260 digital assets, allowing users to manage their crypto portfolios, stake certain coin, and swap between cryptocurrencies directly within the app. The wallet emphasizes ease of use with a sleek interface, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Additionally, Exodus integrates with the Trezor hardware wallet for enhanced security. However, it lacks some advanced security features like two-factor authentication, and it's not fully open source, which may be a concern for users. Exodus Wallet is a solid choice for individuals seeking a straightforward and visual appealing platform to manage a diverse range of cryptocurrencies. Its built-in exchange and staking features add convenience, but users should be mindful of its security limitation. So for those prioritizing user experience and multi-asset support, Exodus is worth considering. And that's it.